everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm going to be unboxing the Azzurro Mare AM330. Now before I get started, a little bit of history about this boat. This Saturn made this boat primarily targeted to the European market. And you guys will see it has some certain aesthetics in the standard Saturn boat. It's got a few other features and we'll go over those. Anyway, it's a very nice little boat. I've seen the pictures. It looks like a little tiny little Ferrari inflatable boat. Is pretty cool. So without any further ado, let's get right to it. Okay, here in the box we're going to see the external cover. That is if you want to be using it, let's say as a dinghy on a yacht, and you're going to keep it outside. It's going to be exposed to the elements. This actually goes on top. I will show you guys how that goes. It has little Velcro pieces too. Nice. Here's the storage bag. Oh, that's a nice touch. It has the word Azzurro Mare on it. That's a nice touch. I like that. This is the storage bag if you happen to be rolling it up and keeping it inside your home or storage. In here, I believe this is the inflatable floor. I'm gonna put this together. Here we have your hand pump. I'll be using my electrical pump. I brought mine. It's an electrical pump. Makes things a lot easier, but it does come with a hand pump, which is handy. Here we have the oars. We have two aluminum seats. This is a two-seater. Very nice. We have the repair kit. Let's see what else we got over here. We got the manual. It's in here. Oh, it comes with an extra valve as well. It's a nice touch. And I believe this is the actual boat itself. Let's pull it up. Oh boy. There we go. I don't want to break the box. This boat is loaned. I need to make sure I return it properly. Boy. Ha! Let me go ahead and stretch it all out so you guys can see it. All right, let's see what we got here. This is the front. Turn it around. So I'm going to be inflating it. I'll show you guys a proper view of it. This is an 11-footer, by the way. And in my personal opinion, doing my little research, it is a nice alternative to having in a hypelon boat. This one, I believe, goes about $1,200, give or take. A hypelon boat goes for 2-3 times that. You know, having the cover, protecting yourself, you know, protecting the boat from the elements. It's a nice touch, nice alternative. And the aesthetics are amazing. You guys will see. It looks very nice. It's got the Italian flag in there. It was truly marketed for the European market. But it was brought to the US by Saturn. Ah, here we go. Oh, we got more wrappings here. Some bubble wraps. Well, it is nicely wrapped, I'll tell you that. Oh, I think it's pretty. Got more wrappings I gotta take care of. All right. It is an unboxing after all, so. When you purchase this, you know what you have to look forward to. All right, the wrapping is out. Here we go. Let me show you guys what it looks like, you know, uninflated. All right, so here it is, uninflated. It's already nice looking as it is. Can't wait to fill it up and see how it looks like. Anyway, let me go and get started inflating it and see what it looks like. Right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to inflate the boat about 30% so I can actually put in the floor down. And that's be a good idea. Don't fully inflate it and expect to be able to actually put the floor down. It's a little difficult. So 30%, and get right to it. All right. So I managed to get the boat inflated about 30%, give or take. I'll be able to actually lay down the floor at the moment. It's got nice little details. I'm gonna go over that. I noticed that like the drain plug is different. The inflatable floor back here has a little padding, so the floor when it's fully inflated rests on that. That's nice. this. It's got nice little touches. I like it. I like it. I still love my own Saturn boat. I really do. Although this is nice. It really is. I can see why people actually get attracted by these boats. The Azzurro Mares. Nice aesthetics, nice looks, extra features that it has, and I'm gonna go over those as I go with you guys. Alright, let me go ahead and accommodate the floor and show you all that. Here's a few features that I don't want to overlook. As the floor inflates, this tights up under here, keeping the floor steady, which is nice. That's a nice touch. And the valve is internal. You open it from inside like so. If you need to actually, if there gets water, you want to take it out, close it, open. Usually there'll be a plug back here, but instead it's internal. That's a nice touch. All right now I'm going to fully inflate it. So for the main tubes, you got 25 kPa or 3.6 psi. Then you have the keel, that's 40 kPa, give or take 5.6 psi. Then you have the actual floor itself. That one is 70 kPa or 10 psi. So let me get right to it. Put it in. 25. There it. Right now the boat is fully inflated, so I'm gonna lay down the seats. There we go. There's one. And here is two. Ha! Now I'm gonna put in the oars in place. Here's one. Here is number two in place. All right, let me show you guys how it looks. Here is the boat, guys, and it is a beauty. One thing I want to point out, guys, the seams, they're all welded by heat in this boat. I'll see if I can find a clip of that works, put it on the screen so you guys can see what heat welding looks like. Look at the seams, look at the sides. It's really pretty. The Azzurro Mare symbol right there. It's got a lot of handles. It's about 6 of them I noticed. 2 on the back, 4 on the front. Right here if you want to hang on to an inside the boat or outside. Scuba diving or deep sea fishing. This will come in handy to hang on to. God, it is beautiful. It is truly beautiful. All right, so you guys notice that these Velcros on the side, that's for the outside cover. I laid it down over here. You guys can see. There's not a lot of guesswork, you know, it takes the shape of the boat. So let me go ahead and try to put that in. Okay, so the cover. I know this is the front. Let's see how we manage this. This might take me a minute, so let me go ahead and just skip to that part. Okay, so here it is with the cover on. And word to the wise, if you're gonna put the cover on and you want to ride with it, don't put in the seats and the oars. I realized I had to take them out in order to actually make everything accommodate. I'm gonna put the oars and the seats back, of course, so I can show you guys, you know, the length of it on against the wall of my house and all that, and show you guys the bottom as well. So yeah, here it is with the cover on. Not too shabby. All right, right now I'm gonna put in my outboard on so you guys can see what it looks like with an outboard. Just give you guys an idea of what it looks like. So here it is with the outboard. This is a 6 horsepower Tohatsu that I currently use with a 7.8 by 7 propeller. It actually pushes this large boat quite nicely, but just being on it. If you bring somebody with you and you only got a 6, expect to go slow. For this type of boat, you want to have, if you're gonna be with somebody else with you, at least a 9.8 or a 9.9 outboard. Now, if you happen to have a 15 or 20, even better, because this boat is made for that. But that little 6 horsepower for the water review will be just enough. It'll be plenty. So now I'm gonna go ahead and lay the boat against the wall of my house, let you guys see how long it is, and show you guys the bottom. Okay, so here is the boat laid against the wall of my house. It's an 11-footer. It's quite big. And this gives you a good perspective how big it is. Because usually when you see it on the floor, it's one thing. But until you see either from against the wall or from the air, it's just, you realize how big it really is. And then you guys notice it has those extra black paddings on the side for extra protection. I like that. I personally own a BB290 that does not have that, and it is tough. I have said this before. This material is quite tough. So with an extra padding, it's even tougher. It's fantastic. All right, well, guys, that'll end this unboxing. Hopefully after the curfew gets lifted, because at the time of recording of this video, we're going to the whole coronavirus. If you happen to see this video in the future, you probably remember that. So hopefully once the curfew is lifted, hopefully the next week or two, should be able to take this boat on the water and show you guys how it performs in the water. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Later.